And today we're going to be checking out the Holystone HS210F. This is a little land air drone. It's going to be great for beginners. It has great features like 360 flips, altitude hold, and you can adjust the speed from slow to fast. So very, very cool. Now this is kind of, I'm assuming they got the F in there because it kind of looks like a Formula One car. But let's go ahead, open this up, see what all you're going to get, and then we're going to go outside and fly it and see how well it does. All right, here's the little guy right here. Very cool. It's got the Ferrari paint job, red and white. Let's go ahead and get it out of here. You have your manual, your remote control. You have a battery, some extra props, a prop wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a battery charger. You have an overlay that's going to go over your controller so you can learn what the different buttons and functions are. Then we got to get the little drone itself out of here. We'll open it up just like this. Now this drone is small and compact enough that you can fly it indoor or outdoor. It does have the little prop guards on it in case you crash into something or someone. It's not going to hurt them. They're going to be protected. And here it is, free from its packaging. The battery goes into the bottom. You can see it kind of has these offset props. So it's going to actually fly like this. And then when you go full forward, it's going to kind of fly like this. So very, very cool. And I'm assuming that's the front. I don't know yet, but we'll find out when we turn this thing on. So what I think we need to do is let's just go ahead. We're going to go outside, power this thing up, and take it for a flight. Okay, so here we are in the backyard with the Holystone HS210F. It's really made for indoors, but it's better to try to fly it outdoors. So let's go ahead and see what this little drone can do and how much fun it's going to be. Let's go ahead and take off. Now we're going to put it in high speed. Not bad. Pretty nimble little drone. Maybe that's why they modeled it after an F1 racer. Hitting myself. Nice recovery. As you can see, I hit myself. And no damage, no issues to me or the drone. And just a really easy little flyer, to be honest. It hovers nicely. Does flips. Let's do that again. We'll do another flip over here. And it does these flips automatically. Very cool. Yeah, and just a nice little drone. And there's also an emergency shutoff. You just hold this button down in case you get in trouble. Let's go look at the second mode of this little drone. All right, so the second mode of this little drone is you don't have to fly it. It can also be like a ground effect car. You can actually drive it on the ground. Oh, we wiped out. But it's best as a drone, just like so. So as you can see, it's a nice little beginner drone. Great for indoors, really. Easy to fly, multifunctional, looks super cool. Looks like that Formula race car. And just overall, a lot of fun. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.